What's up, y'all? It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. I bought a Traeger Woodridge Pro about 3 months ago. I've been really happy with that purchase. This video is a full review of all the cooks I've done on it so far, and to really drive home that point of how much I've been enjoying this grill. I am not sponsored. This is not an ad. This is me just loving barbecue and trying to show you guys my new grill and how much I'm enjoying it. So sit back, relax, kick your feet up. I'm going to go through everything from how it loads in pellets to the delicious food it cooks. That's what's up. All right, let me explain my thoughts and feelings on this grill while you look at some delicious food I've been cooking on it over the last couple of months. And let me start also by saying, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Holy cow. So I picked up a Traeger Woodridge Pro. I'm normally a stick burner kind of guy. I have a 250-gallon offset smoker. And, I never really thought I'd be so interested in upgrading a pellet grill. But I talked to Matty McGrills. If you don't follow him, you should follow him on Instagram. But he's out of Vintage Stove and Fireplace in Truro, Nova Scotia. And, we were just chit-chatting about it. I had a pellet grill, but it was a tailgating size pellet grill. And we really were talking about how much capacity changes your game with barbecue. I mean, actually, it kind of does line up right here. Check it out. I got 4 pork shoulders and a beef brisket on the Traeger. And right here, that's 9, racks of ribs split into half racks. But still, I could probably fit 11 or 12 on there if I played a little Tetris. But anyway, when I was talking to Matty McGrills out of Vintage Stove, we were just discussing about right now, when I use my big offset smoker, I have to burn a bunch of wood, and I'm not always cooking crazy amounts of meat. So I kind of needed to find a nice happy medium where I had a little more cooking space, but it was a little more affordable. And that's where the conversation of me using a Traeger Woodridge Pro came up. These pellet smokers run on pellets. That is a much more affordable fuel source for barbecue than lumber. Unless you have a backyard with a bunch of woods, which I do not. By the way, those ribs look absolutely delicious. But the wood-fired option really kind of brought me in. And what I mean by that is, with a Traeger, they have different technology than regular pellet smokers. Their ovens apparently have they call it a wood-fired oven, meaning you can cook more than just meat on it, like desserts, vegetables. It works beautifully. And you'll see a couple clips here. I have some stuff. Well, this pork tenderloin is actually stuffed with some sun-dried peppers, I think, feta and spinach, I think was that recipe. But the point I'm getting to is, it has more options than just meat, including desserts. And you'll see here shortly, I've done apple crisp on it, peanut butter blondies with fluff. Guys, there's so many cool things you can do with this that you can't with just a regular pellet smoker. Obviously, with a regular pellet smoker, like a Pit Boss or a Rec Tech, you can still cook on it, but I don't know, it just kind of leaves a little more dirty smoke running over stuff. So I don't know. After the discussion and after trying some food on a Traeger, I made the jump. Now, the price point is $14.99 at the time of recording this, and that's Canadian. I think it's $13.99 in the United States. But, you might be able to find it on sale for something like $12.99 or $13.99 here in Canada. And if you do and are thinking about it, 1000%, I think you should make that jump. This has seriously given me an upgrade that I wasn't even expecting. It even has a mobile app that I can stay inside. If it's raining, I can check the temps, whether it's on the thermometers or the actual oven itself. If I want to know how much capacity of the pellets is remaining, I can check that remotely. Guys, it's super simple. It just connects to your Wi-Fi and boom, there you go. Bob's your uncle. And seriously, it's really just made things smoking in my backyard way easier. And that's not a bad thing. You can still go out there, tend to it, check it out regularly. but it also just, has so many extra features to let you go about your day while you smoke low and slow meat. And I think that's a huge win when you're in your backyard grilling. If you're one of those guys that wants to sit at a stick burner, then by all means, get yourself a stick burner. I am that guy too. I love my offset smoker, but this pellet smoker is basically the next best thing in my mind. Like, still gets wood. You get that smoke, that distinct flavor. It's great for building bark, whether it's on a pork shoulder, on brisket, on ribs. Guys, I'm into it. I highly recommend making this purchase. And if you're not requiring every single feature, like the pellet sensor, messaging you via the mobile app on when you need to go refill pellets, or super smoke mode, which I'll talk about in a split second, then you can totally just get a Traeger Woodridge, not the Pro. But what is super smoke? So under 225 degrees, you can turn on what's called super smoke here. And there's a good shot of it. It really pours that smoky flavor all over whatever you're smoking. It really focuses on getting extra blue smoke in there, and blue meaning clean smoke, which really adds to that bark, builds texture, builds delicious flavor. And this bologna chub seriously was getting hit with tons of smoke. It came out beautiful. I don't know if you've ever tried smoking a bologna chub before. This cost me $9 and it turned out magnificent. I highly recommend you give it a shot if you ever have the chance. But anyway, let's get back to talk about the grill. So loading in pellets. It has a side pellet hopper and it can hold like a bag and some. You can go to bed overnight with a Woodridge Pro, smoking a brisket without any concern of running out of pellets. And honestly, if you are concerned, well, you can set up the mobile app to just notify you. It's actually really funny. Oh man, competition barbecue. It works for that too, and that's a huge win when it comes to grilling, in my opinion. You might just be a backyard enthusiast, and that is great. I strongly support it. But if you're interested in trying something like the KCBS route, or just any type of grilling competition, you can totally use this barbecue and go into one of those competitions. I myself have done it, and it's worked out great. I'm not exaggerating, guys. Low and slow is the name of the game on this grill. Man, it can go hot and fast too. It can go up to 500 degrees. You can reverse sear steaks on this thing. It's got so many wicked features that I strongly recommend you learn about. But like I was saying before, if you are interested in a Traeger Woodridge Pro, I personally am glad I made the jump. I think this grill is fantastic. I'm really happy with the results so far, and I think you will be too. If you're a backyard enthusiast like me, you get pumped up on grilling, then man, oh man, this is one I think you should check out sooner rather than later. At the time of recording this, it's like the 9th of June, 2026, and guys, this grill is just kicking butt right now. If you're thinking of getting this, definitely check this out. I mean, here in the video, you can see how many pellets it holds. You can set this up. When I started pouring this bag in, there was already half another bag in there. So the capacity it holds is pretty wicked. And that's another thing too. You can use so many different types of pellets to add different types of flavor to your food with this grill. Oh man, oh man. Anyway, those are my thoughts. I do think it is a little bit higher of a price point, but if you are able to afford it, I think you will be happy with the purchase. If you can wait and find it on sale, that's an even better outcome. Still delicious, scrumptious, 10 out of 10. Whether it's brisket, ribs, pork shoulder, delicious desserts like apple crisp, or peanut butter blondies. Oh man, you're going to be so thrilled with everything to do with this. You'll be able to cook for the whole neighborhood. Anyway, you guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. Make sure you're liked and subscribed. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and you know what's up. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and stay safe.